All right, so this lecture is talking about how do we actually count these rhythms. So I'm going to show you two ways on all of them. I'm going to show you counting it out loud, and then I'm going to show you using your instrument. And my instrument, my main instrument, is my voice, so I'm just going to sing these rhythms. And for your answers on number 44 through 47, it does not matter which one it is, just as long as it's done. Also, notice I have already counted out manually, writing all the counts down. Show what do these written counts compare? How does that compare with what is produced by the voice or by your instrument? So here we go. Example number 1. 1, 1, 2, sh. Now I will sing it. Da, da, da. Okay. Number 2. 1, 2, sh, 2, 1, sh. Now I'll sing it. Da, 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 da. Okay. Number 3. 1, 3, 1, sh, 3. Now I'll sing it. Da, 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 da. Number 4. Da, 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 da. And now I'll count it out loud. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, sh. Number 5. Da, 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 da. And counted. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. And now finally number 6. Now number 6 has some longer rests and some longer notes. Just watch and listen how they're done. I'm going to count it first. Shh, 4. 1. Now sung. Da, da. All right. So that is how you count out loud these rhythms that we are getting familiar with in our 2/4, 3/4, and 4/4 time signatures. Remember, be better than you were yesterday.